The Bharatiya Janata Party is responding to the allegations being levelled. Union Minister Rajiv Chandrasekhar is questioning the timing. Listen in.
There is a question that needs to be asked today. It is a question of Rahul Gandhi's government, of his chief minister in Karnataka, his deputy chief minister in Karnataka, on why when they had evidence of this exploitation, when they had evidence of crimes against women, why they did not act earlier. While Rahul Gandhi can huff and puff about everything, the question that needs to be asked, and he should be answering this question, why did his government in Karnataka not act sooner? As far as Prajwal Revana is concerned, his party, JDS, which used to be for many years a party aligned to the Congress, and at which point Rahul Gandhi did not seem to have any problem with him, is a party that has suspended Prajwal Revana yesterday, and the law of the land will take its own course.
Deepak continues to be with us. So that's, of course, the standard response coming in from the Bharatiya Janata Party, and counter also. If you had the evidence, why did you sit on it? Why didn't you act?
Well, like I said, as far as acting on Prajwal Revana is concerned, both the parties are pinning the blame on each other. But the question here is, on one hand, the BJP faces allegations that, they had concrete information that there are these tapes of this individual. Some of the BJP leaders themselves have intimated to their leadership is what the information is. On the other hand, now there were talks about this tape being in existence has been there since a year. If there are, so many women who've been plausibly exploited in this particular case, the state police, the intelligence also could have had information. So, as far as failures or, possibility of not looking, or rather looking the other way because of political dividends, both the parties are to blame. But the end point here is the SIT conducting this thorough probe right now, ensuring that Prajwal Revana appears before the SIT and justice is done to one or many victims if there are any.